Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to open link in new tab in Carrd. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser in your PC or in your laptop, and in the search bar you simply need to type carrd.co. Once I've done that, you will be landed on the official website of Carrd, where you will have to select the blank canvas. Now once I've selected the blank canvas, you will be redirected on this build page where you need to first add the link. In order to add it, you will have to hover over to the top and you will have to click on this plus icon. Then you are going to see a bunch of different options that you can add in your Carrd dashboard. Now over here, as we want to add links, you will have to click on links. Then you need to click on add button. Now over here you can first add any label on top of it. Let's say instead of link you want to type click here. So you need to type click here in this section and you will be able to see click here over here. After that, in the URL section you will have to paste the path or the link of that particular website or domain on which you want to redirect your Carrd users. So let's say you want to redirect your users on google.com. So you just have to copy the link from here, then you need to go back and you need to paste this address over here. After that, you can add any colors to your label or you can leave it as it is. Then you just have to scroll down and then press on done. Once done, whenever your website is complete and whenever someone click on this click here button, they will be redirected on google.com and in a new tab. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then please consider liking this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.